Every manufacturing facility requires access to real-time operational data. Collecting this data requires connecting to disparate sources and mechanisms. We provide unparalleled visibility across your operations for data-driven decision-making with the Machine Data Suite, Use Case Builder, the State Machine, application programming interfaces and software development kits, interfaces for third-party applications, real-time dashboards, on-demand reports, advanced analytics, and machine learning. Connect all your data from any type of source, including industrial protocols, sensors, industrial applications, and operator interactions. We support all common communication protocols to provide connectivity from any location and any source. Aurigaa supports end-to-end visibility and limitless possibilities for your manufacturing operations and data-driven decision-making. Aurigaa delivers a set of powerful features for seamless integration towards your operations excellence, including automated data capturing, real-time machine and device monitoring, data processing, alarms and notifications, data analytics, third-party integrations, built within a secured architecture to protect your valuable data. Give voice to your data with a rich set of customizable visualizations through dashboards, on-demand reports, advanced analytics, and machine learning. Drive business outcomes at all stages of your manufacturing journey with customized use cases to fit into your operations. Real-time visibility, OEE calculation, maintenance management, asset traceability, efficiency, shift-based performance tracking, and many more. Experience the vibrancy of the fourth industrial revolution with us. Introducing Aurigaa, Industrial Cloud for Manufacturing.